The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is creating quite the buzz, even before its official launch. Rumors and leaks are fueling anticipation, hinting at a device that aims to make a significant impact in the competitive smartphone market. The question is, will it deliver the innovation needed to stand out or simply refine what we have seen before? One of the most talked about aspects of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its storage and memory configurations. It is rumored that Samsung will offer three options: a base model with 12 GB of random access memory and 256 GB of storage, a mid-tier version with 16 GB of random access memory and 512 GB of storage, and a high-end variant featuring 16 GB of random access memory paired with 1 TB of storage. This marks a notable shift as Samsung has not included 16 GB of random access memory in its Ultra lineup since the Galaxy S21 Ultra. This move seems to be aimed at optimizing performance, particularly for advanced artificial intelligence features that are expected to play a larger role in the device's functionality. The inclusion of 16 GB of random access memory aligns with trends in the tech industry. Apple's recent upgrade to 8 GB of memory in the base models of its iPhone 16 series underscores the growing need for enhanced memory to support artificial intelligence capabilities. Similarly, Samsung appears to be preparing its devices to handle increasingly complex tasks, with hints pointing to new artificial intelligence-driven features in its Galaxy ecosystem. An accidental preview of One UI 7 on Samsung's website teased several artificial intelligence innovations, suggesting that the Galaxy S25 Ultra could leverage its advanced memory and processing power for cutting-edge applications. However, questions remain about how each configuration will perform. The entry-level variant with 12 GB of random access memory might deliver less robust artificial intelligence performance compared to its higher-end counterparts. It is possible that the additional memory in the premium models is not just for artificial intelligence but also for enhancing overall multitasking and performance. Regardless, the higher memory capacity should make the device more capable of handling demanding applications and future-proofing it against evolving software requirements. Beyond memory and storage, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which promises top-tier performance. This next-generation chip is expected to enhance speed, efficiency, and overall responsiveness. However, other areas, such as the battery and display, might see more incremental changes. Leaks suggest that the device will retain the same battery capacity and display technology as its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. While this may disappoint those looking for major upgrades, it could also indicate that Samsung is confident in the strengths of its current design. The design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra may also see some subtle tweaks. Reports suggest a move from the sharp edges of previous models to more rounded corners, which could improve ergonomics and aesthetic appeal. While these changes might be appreciated by some, they might not be enough to excite users who prioritize substantial hardware updates. Samsung's strategy appears to be centered on refining the user experience rather than delivering a groundbreaking redesign. In the highly competitive smartphone market, where innovation drives consumer interest, this approach carries some risk. Striking the right balance between meaningful upgrades and maintaining reliability is crucial. The Galaxy S25 Ultra seems to aim at refining its predecessor's strengths while setting the stage for future advancements, particularly in artificial intelligence integration. Whether this strategy will resonate with consumers remains to be seen. As the launch of the Galaxy S25 Ultra approaches, it is becoming clear that this device will generate significant discussion among tech enthusiasts and industry analysts. Its blend of enhanced memory options, potential artificial intelligence innovations, and subtle design changes positions it as a strong contender in the premium smartphone category. However, with competitors continuously pushing the boundaries of innovation, Samsung's latest offering may face challenges in convincing users that it is a must-have upgrade. Only time will reveal whether the Galaxy S25 Ultra will meet the high expectations set by its predecessors and its loyal user base. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, We're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.